Where we're going.
All right, they made it through. We're entering treacherous waters. I believe this is where the crocodile live. If you look carefully to your left and right along the banks, you might be able to see one slipping into the water. Keep your eyes peeled. Here we go. Dun 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 dun. Oops, watch out for the tree limbs. At some point I actually have to put the paddle down. You have a little clip on the side, that bungee cord. You don't need it now, but it gets kind of narrow, and then I actually just kind of use the branches to pull myself through. This is where you need a little short mini paddle. It's cool, isn't it? Man, those people up ahead are kicking butt. Mm-hmm. Welcome to Weedon Bay Kayak Trails. Over to your right, you'll notice a great blue heron. Too bad I can't look over there with my camera. Just kidding.
Are you practicing?
Yeah. For my upcoming movie tours. Right. Although it's real hard to get lost because they have it very well marked.
Yeah, but it's still getting lost is more of a comfort level.
Yeah, yeah. See, this is where. How did they paddle through here? They must have shorter paddles. It's so narrow. I keep hitting the trees. There we go. Either that or they're just much better at it. I wouldn't want to be in here at dusk or dawn with the no-see-ums, though. That would be a nightmare.
Yeah.
Okay, get a good paddle before you go through up here. It's a little narrow. Oh crap, what was that? Did you hear that off in the bushes?
Yeah.
Did it sound like an animal?
It did sound like a bird.
Oh, I was thinking something much bigger. Wait, this is the hazards. There are trees everywhere.
I just ran into a tree.
She's been taken. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, shorter paddles would be.
It would. I guess you know what you could do is pop them in half, you know, and just use one side like a rowboat paddle.
Really not that big of a deal.
No, you just have to.
Maneuver.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's pretty though, isn't it?
It is. It's amazing.
It's largely timing, and I missed it on that one. There we go. It looks so pretty where the sun's coming through and all the shadows. I love it. How you doing back there, Clara?
I'm good. I'm busy trying not to run into mangroves. Mangroves, right?
Yeah.
Do they come in here and keep things cooked back or something?
You know, I would have to think they would, but I don't know. I mean, maybe at one point and they just kind of have gotten to where they grow high enough, but I don't know.
They're just keep encroaching on this until the path wasn't even.
Yeah, yeah. There are so many paths that go through here. It's unbelievable. I've looked at it on like Google. It's insane, all the paths that run through here. And this is one of the main kayaking trails, and there's another one that goes on the other side. I have never been on that one. I'm sorry. I'm trying not to crash and video at the same time. It's not going to work.
Like a crab.
Huh?
I stopped to look at a crab.
Oh.
Just a little bitty one, but he's climbing on a tree.
Cool.